I can never open up to anybody. It's because of a lot of reasons. I can never open up to anybody because I am scared of being judged for about the things that I open up. I feel like everything's my fault, and I can never be enough for someone that I love. Yeah, I know it's hard, but I've always tried to hide the pain that I'm experiencing in our relationship because I know that she is hurting. And in my case, talking about that or opening up about that for me is really hard because I'm scared to be misunderstood. I'm scared that I might start another argument for us and that might end it all for us. Lately, our relationship has been all about thinking that I'm just the one letting go of the things that I didn't care if we would break up or not. But in my case, that's not entirely true. I'm scared of losing her, yeah, and I don't want to lose her at all. It's just the fact that when I'm hurt, I never say a word about it because I might start another argument and I might be misunderstood, and paranoia just takes over me. I'm depressed, really depressed for a few months now, and lately until now, I have no energy to go to school, do the things that I like. I'm just bedrotting now. Not really that bad type of bedrotting, but I still do the things here and there, but I feel like I'm just forced to do it. I'm scared of the dark, but I always lock myself up in my room and just turn off the lights and just be alone in there, even though I hate the dark so much. A lot of things hurt me, but I can never open up of anything about it because I feel like I'm just going to get judged. Paranoia just takes her over me. I feel so oppressed because I always feel like everything's my fault, and even if it's their fault, I just keep on saying sorry. And when there are moments where she shows signs that she's not okay, or whenever she feels sad, and whenever I just ask her about it, she just never says a thing about it. And but when it comes to others, she would say it without any hesitations, and that sometimes really hurts me because you know, of course, I've always tried my best for her, and I feel like that I'm not enough at all. Because for me, I'm not enough at all, yeah. And I could never open up that what she does really hurts me deep. I could never open up about it because I feel like I'm just going to start another problem for us, and that might end our relationship. To be honest, I am losing motivation to do things here and there. I am already stressed about so many things, and I'm already tired of doing things, and another problem just keeps on stacking up another. and I have no one else to talk about it. And here I am just talking over some random gameplays because that is the only way where I can somehow express my feelings. This really hurts because I have no one to talk to. Because I'm scared to talk to anyone else because they would never understand how I feel. So I just take my own time and just talk to myself. Really kills me on the inside, yeah. But if I think about it, maybe I just deserve this at all. Maybe I just deserve to be treated like this. And every single night, I just think that I never deserve love. Because the way I love and the way that I am right now is just not good at all. It really hurts me, you know? But if I want to be strong, I'd have to let go of the things of my problems. But I've tried that so many times and nothing worked. And now I'm just scared of doing those things again. I always wanted to give up. I mean, I think I have already given up, but no one really cared, even though I showed so many signs of it. I am just scared of talking about how I feel every single day, even to my own family or friends. And it's been so many years ever since that happened. And it hurts me a lot, to be honest, really does. Because all I wanted my entire life just to be misunderstood. I mean, to be understood. My mind is so troubled that I can't even speak straight now. I just have so many thoughts in my head that I don't even know where to begin or how to end all of this. If anyone is watching this, please avoid ending in the same situation as I am right now. We all go through this state, yeah, but I am the type of the guy that never gets to seem to get out of this state. It's been months. I stopped going to school. I stopped caring so much. I lost motivation to do things. I never listen to my mom now, but I never do bad things. And to the people watching this, please do not end up like me. The type who never opens up or talks to anybody because they're scared. I'm that type of person, and if you're going through a depressive state, please go through someone and talk to them. Because me, everything's just gonna get a lot worse. Because I never open up about how I feel or what I feel in general. And it's insanely hard to think about that. So, yeah, my mind is just troubled. I don't know what to do with my life anymore. I have no motivation, no anything, and I don't know. Maybe I'll just let everything rot now. Please never end up like me. Because it's really, really hard.